What up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just get everything set up real quick. Okay. A really nice demand zone that I want to watch. Think or swim. Hold on, everybody. Just getting everything set up on my other screen. Okay. Let's see, live trader, Brandon Trades, go live. Perfect. Good morning, Team Bull. How we all doing? Good morning. Good morning. Share my screen with you guys real quick. There we go. Awesome. We are live. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading and options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. It is currently 7:01 a.m., July 1st, 2026, in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. Let's see, live trading. Boom. Live. Cool. Let's do this. Hopefully, we get a solid trade today. That would be, amazing if the market would be nice. It gives something to us like that. Because this last couple weeks been annoying. But today is the day. What's up, Woody Wood, Hammer Time, Melissa, Lady Phoenix, Your YT96, Manly, Haha. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Today's the day, Team Bull. It's going to happen. Absolute nuker of a trade is coming. Trust. If there's another red trade, I genuinely might crash out. Like, genuinely. But we'll see. Computer chair is going to go flying across the room. Do I use AI to confirm trades? No. My eyeballs. That's it. That is it. Let everybody know that we're live. All right, bet. What's everybody's Fourth of July plans? You guys got anything good? I made a post, a joke yesterday on my story, and apparently IG didn't like it, and now I'm restricted. It's dumb. Everything's just restricted me. All right. Eat. Okay, fire. And real quick, for the ones that are joining on TikTok, if you guys could make sure to double tap that screen, it helps a lot with the algo. Also, hit that follow button, top left, top right. Live trade every single morning for you guys. All you guys got to do is join. That's it. Hit that follow button, top left, top right. Double tap that screen. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Remember, if we hit the like goals, let's see. Let me do it real quick. Hold on. Start a poll. 100 likes. Account giveaway. All stuffed up this morning. 200 likes. Cash giveaway. And then 250 likes. One-on-one session. Cool. Start poll. All right, so tube, you guys know the drill as well. 100 likes, you guys get an account giveaway. 150, then you get a cash giveaway, and then, or sorry, 100 for the account giveaway, 200 for the cash giveaway, 250 for a one-on-one session. So that's on you guys. Somebody asked, what do I do on green days? So if you saw that story, then you know what it was. Always getting restricted out here. Good morning, good morning. Meta had a nice pump up, everybody. If anybody's looking at it, gapped up like 50 bucks. Want to watch that for continuation today. I want to watch Tesla. That was very strong yesterday. NQ, we have pretty big demand zone that I want to watch as well. You guys can see it on my screen. Big green rectangle right here. But yeah. We will see what the market brings us today. Cool. Let's get it. Everybody have a good evening. Good morning so far. You guys locked in, ready to crush it today? Oh, we are going for the throat today, Andrew. We're getting like 300, 400 points. It's happening. Bet. I got you. As always, too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Appreciate the follow, Matt. What up, Tishan Bay? Appreciate the follow, G-Star. It's a bunch of different zones, like a 4 hour, I think maybe a 1 hour, 30 minute, 45 minute, I believe. We're going to see what the market offers. Could go down, could go up. All we watch is key levels and wait to see how the market reacts. And then we go from there. Let's get some pre-market music going. Cool. We got our non-farm payrolls tomorrow as well. So if you guys are looking for an easy day to pass accounts, it's tomorrow. Again, the method, best with Apex, send half your accounts long, half short. Obviously, you're going to blow half the accounts, but you're going to pass the other half. So non-farm payrolls and CPI is mainly when I do that. Let's get this bag today, though. Is the music at a good level? Appreciate the follow, Bob. Good morning, Weiss. Get this morning. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Double tap the screen, helps a lot with the algo. Everybody watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. I do account giveaways, cash giveaways. I also have 1,800 videos of education over on my tube channel. So if you guys want to tap in, BrandonTrades over there. BrandonTrades on the tube. This is just chill music. This isn't what I listen to at all. Trust me, you don't want to listen to what I listen to. Some people might, but a majority of people probably not. Got 5 accounts with TPT. You better have used code Brandon. Code Brandon. Bro, it's only 7:10 in the morning. J-Done's already talking about BBCs. I think he has something that he wants to share with us. Am I profitable? No, I'm down like $2 million. I really like these demand zones, though. If we can get down there, they look really good for a bounce. Appreciate the follow. Relatable thoughts. Today's the day. We're catching a banger. Yep, down $2 million. Lost it all. Psych. No. Not down 2 mil. Yes, I make money traded. To answer your question, yes. If I was down $2 million, I would not be streaming. I can tell you that much. Morning, Yanni. Morning, good morning. Good morning, Team Bull. Everybody that's now joining, good morning, good morning. LBJ, we're watching Meta and Tesla for the individuals. You like Apple? I like Meta a lot. Gapped up $50. Super strong. Morning, Robert. Yup. I don't even know what the news was, but I'm gonna watch it. Let's see, Meta. The 610s yesterday, or even the 605s, closed at $7. Like literally 0.07 on the options. Those things are about to be up huge. Yep, I like Tesla above pre-market high. Take it back up into yesterday's high. It's very strong yesterday, so look for some continuation there. NQ, we're super close to a demand zone. ES, a little further away. We already tapped that 75.11 demand, so the next one's at 75.02. And then you guys can see my green rectangle for NQ. It's building a cloud business to sell excessive AI compute power. Okay. Let's do this. Good morning. Again, good morning, everybody on the tube. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up because as you guys can see, at 100 likes, I'm going to be giving away an account. I got Lucid accounts to give away today. So at 100 likes, I will do an account giveaway. Being new to trading, do you think TJR is a good strategy? I mean, I've never found it useful. So, I mean, it's up to you. I use a 5 and 2 minute. But I would say there's easier ways to trade instead of the super complicated stuff that strategy entails. I don't know, maybe my IQ is just not there. Don't have a good enough IQ to understand it. But I understand what I trade. Yeah, I like options on Tesla. For Meta, if we stay below 612 before open, I would like a break and retest to that level. Higher time frame bias, I think that we should trade down into this demand. Obviously, the market doesn't have to do that, but we are pretty close. So ideally, I would like to see that happen. If it does, then I'll look for a bounce. If price, continues up, then we'll have to switch the game plan and look for something else. But we do have setups on Tesla as well as Meta. Both of them look really good. And yeah, I mean, ES hit the demand zone at 75.11. And price is continuing off of that. So, that might be a reason why NQ does not come down and test demand. But yeah, we'll see. We shall see. And again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, you all should know what the tube is. Remember, I can't say the whole word, but you should know what the tube is. BrandonTrades over there. Again, if you want to participate in giveaways, cash giveaways, one-on-one sessions, etc., my tube channel is BrandonTrades. 1,800 videos, 137,000 subs, tons of education over there. Tons of education. Remember, too, if you guys need accounts before market open, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. Oh. I did jujitsu 2 days in a row, 2 hours each, and like my body is so sore right now. Shoulders, triceps, neck, biceps, everything. Oh no, LBJ, you miss him? Appreciate the follow. Bro, so the hike is called Sky Lake, and GD pulled up his what's that app called? Like it tracks, you know how Strava? We didn't even make it to the lake. Jadon was like, "Oh yeah, this is it." It was further. He's like, "No, there's no way," because he did it 2 weeks in a row. And GD is like, "Dog, we didn't even make it to actual Sky Lake." No, GD just texted me saying his computer is completely not working. He's been driving for 30 minutes, so he might not make it. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. Again, if you guys are new, find that follow button, top left, top right. Make sure to click it. Double tap the screen, helps a lot with the algo. If you're on the tube, make sure to find the thumbs up button. We got 110 of you in the tube right now and 36 likes. Remember, the first giveaway is at 100 likes. That's all you guys got to do. Hit 100 likes, and you get the first giveaway. Hundred likes for the first giveaway. Oh, you should see what I'm about to do to the office. It's gonna be crazy. Actually, see if I can get the ChatGPT link. Hold on. Yeah, his computer's cooked. All right. I gotta send it to my other phone. Hold on. Seven minutes until open. All right, let's see if this picture pops up for you guys. Actually, here, I'll just show you because I'm sharing my screen. There we go. That's what I'm gonna do to it. So obviously, bruh, hold on. I just go away. Okay. Obviously, this is where my desk right now. This is the. Why do you keep going away? Let's try this. Visit. Can we just download it? Yeah. Well, now you're super small. I can't even see you. You guys get the idea. So I'm gonna add this behind me. That's gonna be fire, and then probably BrandonTrades. We'll see. But that's what we're gonna add. User. Put what code? What is the NQ letter this month for Rhythmic? U. I don't use Rhythmic though, so I don't know exactly how to type it in, but I'm assuming it should be the same. NQU. Oh my god, he made it. Let's see. Co-host. The updated Zoom. It looks different. What's up, buddy? Your computer work? You hear me? Hello? I think his speakers are broken now. All right. 5 minutes, everybody. What? Your computer work? Just got to hit it. You want to know what we could do? We go to Vegas next weekend. You play the roulette hand. And it buys you a new computer. I like that idea. I really like meta today, everybody. Really like meta above 612. Look for a continuation. Let's see, 612. I'll watch the 615s. Meta above 612. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now. We got 4 minutes until market open. But BrandonTrades on the tube. Doing giveaways, account giveaways, cash giveaways, etc. 1,800 videos, 137,000 subs. So again, if you guys want to tap in, BrandonTrades on the tube. Live over there right now as well. Yep. Three minutes until open. Not even 2.5. Remember, if you guys ever need accountants before open as well, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon. Yeah, I think we have PMI and ISM today. Two minutes. Think there's a good chance we're gonna go down and test that demand zone. Let's get this moolah. Let's get this moolah. Okay. Might hit it pretty quick off the open, honestly. We'll see. Let's lock in. Let's get this bag. I'm ready. Make sure we haven't tested that upper portion. No, we haven't. Cool. All right, trade safe, trade smart. Let's get it. Might come down and test this demand right off the open. We'll see. Yep, touching it already. We have a few demand zones down here, so see what we react off of. Bruh. It's gonna hit it right off the rip. Yup. Had to do it right off the open. Yeah, come back down, fool. Come back down. Do some buyers out at 150. That's the next level. Again, everybody, I'm watching for NQ longs potentially down in this demand. Just hoping we could get a little lower. Watching that meta too. Let's watch this area right here. See if they reclaim 142. If not, then we'll probably go down and test 37 to 59. Okay. Let's watch that 37 to 59. $75.02 is a demand on ES as well. Yes, this is a 5-minute time frame. This thing better not bounce early. Might. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button and be greatly appreciated. Live trading every single day here on TikTok as well as my tube. So again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. It means the absolute world to me. Follow and subscribe. Watching this meta too. Get above 612. For a little more. We do have buyers down here going into that level. So hopefully we can hit it. What are you watching, GD? Where'd GD go? What's up? Come on, go a little lower. Looking to see if price can get down into the demand zone. And like 0.71 to 0.60, ideally. What? Bro, it got so close to the demand zone. Didn't want to hit it. You watching that pre-market low? Fire. Wanted it a little lower for a bounce, so hopefully we can get it. Also, no confirmation off of that low level either. Nothing on the 2 or 5 minute. Watch this pop up. Maybe a rejection off that pre-market low. Let's see. We got about 200 of you here in the tube. So remember, at 100 likes, you guys get a Lucid account giveaway. You guys need 25 more likes. 25 more likes for the Lucid account giveaway. Only issue I have with shorting is that we're in demand. It's the only issue. But could very easily break through it. Break through the demand. Again, if you guys are watching on the TikTok, make sure you hit that follow button, top left, top right. A live trade every single day for you guys. All you got to do is join. Top left, top right. Hit that follow. Uh, 2 minutes more so for sniper entries. Do have news here in about 1 minute. See if we come down and tap this level, everybody. So stupid. It's like we were so close to that level too, bro. We needed like 15 more points, but no confirmation price action, nothing on the order flow. Of course, it's going to push up. Couldn't have came down and touched the level. I was watching demand at 72, but got close to it and bounced, but literally no confirmation. That's been the entire week. Actually, last 2 weeks. We're like getting no confirmation at our levels. NQ is going to reject anywhere, though. It's here. But I don't know if it will. Just given we're bouncing out of demand, I mean, I don't think it will. As always, too, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon. All caps. They're holding below this level. Curious to see if they reject it and bring it back down. They are. So far, they are. Be interested to see if they bring it back down into demand. Like, if it's going to reject, it's here. It's just, again, we're within demand. think it's gonna hold it and pop back up, personally. Ugh. What happens if it taps the demand? I'll see if they hold it, and then if they can, I'll look for longs. But as of now, it's all the way down here. It's pretty far. Let's watch Tesla for this pullback to like 421.50. See if we get it. Gonna watch the 425 calls on Tesla. Come on, Tesla, give us a pullback. You got 100 likes yet? You guys need 2 more likes on the tube. 2 more likes on the tube. This stupid NQ couldn't pull back like literally 20 more points, or gave like at least some kind of confirmation for an early entry. Somebody said GC was nuking. Let's see. It is. I like Meta though. Meta above 612. Tesla at 421.50. Stay impatient, everybody. Giving away to Lucid account. I don't have any Apex. Give away all the Apex. There you go. You guys get a Lucid code here in a little bit. I'll drop it towards the end of the stream. At 200 likes, you guys get cash. So that's entirely dependent on you guys. I don't know why my Tesla's being super laggy on Thinkorswim. Is it just Tesla? It's weird. now, maybe we're not going to trade Tesla. Especially because quotes are saying it's 424. It's only on Thinkorswim though. Other platforms not doing it. This one's going to be a 25K for Lucid. Meta's pulling back into the moving averages. Got news here in 3 minutes, everybody. Again, if you guys haven't, find that follow button top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. It means the absolute world to me. I live trade every single day. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I'm also live over there right now as well. Live trading, giveaways, cash giveaways, account giveaways, one-on-one sessions, etc. So again, if you guys want to tap in on the tube, BrandonTrades. I'm also live on there. 1,800 videos, 137,000 subs. You guys just got to come tap in. That's all you got to do. What'd you say? Can you buy me a speaker? Damn. Bro, so stupid about this demand. And we can't really even trade Meta either. Spreads keep getting like 50 to 70 wide. Not worth it. I'll consider that Tesla though, if we actually get the pullback. I don't know why Tesla on Thinkorswim is like absolutely broken. Not really even a big fan of the 30-minute orb today. I don't have any supply zones. So I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Slow morning so far. I look at the S&P all the time. I'm looking at it on my other chart right now. And we trade it all the time. Nobody said I won't look at it. Oops. Oh, it's just Tesla that's like not working for some reason. See if we can at least get something today. Of course, that meta would have worked out. Guess we can see if we break that pre-market high on meta and if the spreads can get tighter. Everybody vibing though? Everybody on the tube and TikTok? Vibing and chilling? The yellow arrows are part of my indicators, trying to hint if we're gonna break above that orb or not. You'll see it'll disappear though if we close below. I'd say probably not for that ES supply, just because the big move down isn't big enough. Maybe it's just like a high risk supply zone if you want to watch it. Got you. I was right about meta, but equally, if I was wrong, we would have gotten screwed by the spreads. So loss would have been way bigger. Just because it's 50 wide and to get out right away, you got to sell market. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Hit that follow, top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. We are at VWAP currently on NQ. we're not going to catch anything on Tesla or Meta today. Just a full-blown reversal out of those demands, too. It's just literally no confirmation. Wait for this 5-minute candle close. How to enter the giveaway? All you gotta do is hit that like button. That's all you gotta do. It's all you gotta do is hit the thumbs up. Spilled my drink. If we clear like this 30-minute orb in this VWAP on NQ with strength, I'll look for a retest for potential longs. Of course, that Tesla's going. Can always look for a retest back into the, what was it, the pre-market high? Previous day high at 424.50 up to like 425, give or take. After these last couple weeks, I think I'm just going to start OnlyFans. I think that's my last resort. Can't do it anymore. I retire. Starting OnlyFans. It was nice knowing everybody. Hopefully you all subscribe. $20 a month. All right. 1 minute till this candle closes. I already got followers. There's like over 250,000 people I can promote it to. All right. Close above the orb, but we did not get above VWAP on NQ. I do potentially like Tesla. There's a lot of volume on that candle. Pull back to like 425 to 424.50. I literally don't get how we got a full blown reversal out of that zone with zero confirmation. Absolutely zero. Even if it was London low, there's still zero confirmation off of it. Who is calling me? Of course, going to break this 30-minute orb and continue, though. This market, I'm telling you. This week is just not it. Meta is pulling back, but it's failing that previous high. Did you guys take any trades yet? Tube, TikTok? Nah. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button at the top left, top right. Live trade every single day for you guys. All you gotta do is join. Top left, top right. Make sure you guys click it. You want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades? I'm also live over there right now. I don't understand why ES is just nuking. Maybe a pullback into like 75.40. It was that previous like 5-minute resistance area. We can see what happens there. This NQ keeps failing to hold above that 5-minute VWAP. See if it ends up failing that orb. If there's going to be an uptrend entry on NQ, it's off this orb. Be interested in ES for a pullback to 75.40 team bull. Guys, take anything yet? TikTok, Tube? Anything? We're gonna drop the Vanquish account here in a little bit when we're not like actively looking at the chart for a setup. Watch, they're gonna go ahead and push it. I bet you. They're gonna push off this 30-minute orb. Running straight into that VWAP, but I bet you they're gonna push it. New high day, watch. Nope, no trades for me yet. Patiently waiting. I'll actually be surprised if they don't push it into a new high day. Still holding that orb though. Yes, is super overextended. Feel like the NQ is going to high day. Just cannot find an entry today. Still like a Tesla pullback too. See if they reclaim this orb again. I don't understand how ES is still going up. What? Oh. I mean, this NQ looks like it wants it. It's just, if ES pulls back, it's going to bring NQ with it. Yeah, I think it's going to go. Not a big fan, but it probably will push in a high day. Just staying patient, everybody. A+ setups or no trades at all. Remember, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon in all caps. If you guys need an easy way to pass accounts tomorrow, non-farm payrolls, essentially all you do is take half your account, send them long, half short. Works the best with Apex. So if you had 10 accounts, you would put 5 of them short, 5 of them long with a take profit goal of whatever it costs to pass the account. And again, either you're going to blow or you're going to blow half your accounts and pass half your accounts. So that's the method if you want an easy way to pass accounts tomorrow. And again, I recommend doing it with Apex. They definitely want this high day. They definitely do. Still watching those Tesla calls too. Feel free to ask questions too while we're chilling, everybody. Feel free to ask questions. I'm waiting. Like I said, if you're going to catch an uptrend entry on NQ, it's probably here. It's just that ES is so overextended and we keep failing to hold above VWAP on NQ. And like, it's not the cleanest 30-minute orb, you know? So had these last couple of weeks been different, I'd probably be in a small position. but like I'm being super, super selective right now. So it's not the best setup. I'm not going to take it unless, you know, proven otherwise. But like I said, if we're going to trend up on NQ, it's probably right here. The issue is ES just being super overextended. So if ES starts to pull back, NQ is likely going to pull back with it. I don't even know anymore, bro. I don't even know. I'm doing good. No complaints. No complaints. Besides price action being ass. That's the only complaint, actually, but yep, gotta stay patient. Do I ever use rhythmic or tick charts? No, never use either. So when do you take a trade here? Do you wait for volume to take off and then pull back into a 30-minute orb? Honestly, volume, I really only consider it when we're trading at supply and demand. Like, you know, if it's there when we hit the orb or, you know, retest a pre-market high, pre-market low, etc., then, you know, that's just a little added confluence. But I mainly only pay attention to it at supply and demand. Still holding that 30-minute orb on NQ. Just can't get above VWAP. Yeah, I've never used wealth charts. Never ever. It's already been an hour. I'm starting to get a pullback on ES and SPX, running into that moving average now. What you thinking, Mr. GD? Nice. Story of my life with him, everybody. What's up, fool? Actually surprised that NQ didn't go test that high today. Tesla's finally hitting the level. We can see what happens at 75.40. That previous high. So I ended up holding that level. Is this one of them inverse fair value gap thingies, GD? That you like to talk about? We got a fib here too. What time is it? Get the market like 20, 25 more minutes. I personally like take profit the most, TPT. Again, you can use code Brandon over there, but that's my personal favorite. That's the one I mainly trade with. Yeah, I'm waiting for price to break through the orb and then come back and retest. I don't trade the actual like breakout. Well, I was hoping we would come test that 40. Clearly, yes, did not want to. There's a lot of sellers up here for some reason. The fastest way to pass the eval is to nuke it. Nuke it on a trade. That's pretty much it. Oh no, everybody. It's price action's ass. Still want to watch 75.40 if price can pull back to it. No, no reason to short at all. Zero reason. Also, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go do that. BrandonTrades. I'm on private right now, but I'll accept some people. I said I'll give away the Lucid account towards the end of the stream. Plus, I'm still actively watching charts. Yeah, but with demo accounts, there's zero emotion in it because you know it's all fake. Essentially, with the prop firm accounts, there's still emotion with them because they can lead to real payouts, you know? So you're at least getting practice with the emotional side of it. Because I can sit there and trade paper all day. If I lose $500,000, I don't care, you know? But if I'm blowing evals left and right, I'm going to get annoyed because I know those evals could lead to payouts. How does tomorrow work again? What do you mean? Oh, with the props? Is that what you mean, Justin? It works best with Apex, but you'll send half your accounts long right before the news, and then you'll send half short right before the news, and then you'll put your profit target at, depending on, like, let's say that you're using a 50K, for example, and you got to make 3K, you'll put your sells a little over 3K in profit. So count hits 53K, you pass. You're going to lose half your accounts, but you're going to pass the other half. Obviously, there is that chance that they all blow, given off or based off of news. But I will say most of the time and all the times that I have done it, very rare that happens. Very, very rare. Again, if you guys need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon, all caps. I don't know how ES is still going up. I literally don't. SPX credit spreads look pretty good, though. I will say that. Let's see what they're trading at. SPX. Might not even make sense to do them. Are we actually like gonna start pulling back now? I guess let's see what happens at 75.40, everybody. Not seeing a whole lot of buyers. This area, though, they're gonna hold it. I just don't know. Market's been weird this week. Of course, it's going to bounce. Well, if you ripped it right off 75.40, you're up like 8 points. I know. NQ's like diverging big time. I think it's because the chips are pretty weak. I'm gonna stick around for a little longer, everybody. Maybe like another 20, 30 minutes. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Everybody watching in the tube, make sure to subscribe. You guys already hit, let's see how many likes you got. You got 135 likes so far. 135 likes. It looks like they're going to hold this level. So stupid. Just can't get good entries, bruh. Yes, was definitely overextended. Gives the slightest pullback. This like the same trade that we took yesterday and Friday, and it didn't work. It stopped us out. But today, magically wants to work and wants to start moving up and give a good trade. Like, bro, what? Today just magically wants to work. You guys want to know what's crazy, Team Bull? Y'all want to know? No, nobody. This ES setup is the same exact trade that we took yesterday and Friday, and both those trades stopped us out. But the one that we don't take does exactly what it should have done. Overextended, slight pullback into a level, and then it just gone. Correct. If it was more of a pullback in a 75.40, you know, that would have been better. But it was like, you know, compared to how much ES moved this morning, compared to that pullback, you know, it wasn't really that big of a pullback, you know? Yep. So, of course, the one time we don't take it does exactly what we wanted it to do. Not a bad idea, babyface. Like I said, I'm gonna still stick around for a little bit. See if we can find something. What you guys thinking, Team Bull? I know we're pretty close to 7,500 on SPX, so curious to see if we either close above it or reject. Nice. I mean, if you guys took that 75.40, it was a really nice trade. Five-minute confirmed at the close. It's just your risk would have been like 9 points, and then it's up 4 points. All right, let's do the Lucid 25K account giveaway. So everybody in the tube chat, you guys, I'll give you guys 5 minutes to get a Lucid 25K Pro pulled up. That's what the code is for. 25K Pro. Yep. That's what the code is for. So I'll give you guys 5 minutes to get it pulled up. All you got to do is copy and paste the discount code that I'm about to drop and put it in the discount code section. If you're on TikTok and you want to participate in this giveaway and have a chance to win a free Lucid 25K Pro account, make sure to head on over to my tube channel. Again, you should know what the tube is, but Brandon Trades on the tube. It's a free account. All you gotta do is join my tube, and you got 5 minutes to do so. Got 5 minutes. My tube channel, Brandon Trades. Brandon Trades on the tube. Give you guys 3 more minutes. Three minutes. I feel like the market's going to start pulling back here in a second. Have a good one, fam. At least NQ. NQ looks weak. ES, I have no clue what ES is trying to do. Curious to see if we get above 7,500. On SPX. All right, ready? Gonna drop the code in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. There's code right there. There is the code. Which one of you got it? Which one of you got the code? Right at 7,500 on SPX now. See if they close price above it. Tofu Trades got it. I think it's just a trend day up, everybody. That I literally don't see anything. This market has just made 0 sense. Zero. It's crazy how, like, the setup that we took yesterday and Friday didn't want to work. And then today it's just like, oh, yeah, I'll work. And then it just goes and rips. I really don't understand this market. And at this point, any longs is just chasing as far as ES. I mean, maybe you can make that argument with NQ, but NQ price action is ass. Right, yesterday's high day, I believe. Yeah. Yesterday's high. Yes, that's a little higher. But as far as SPX and SPY, we're at that previous high day. You know, if we don't take a trade, at least it wasn't a losing trade. So we got that for us. At least we got that going. Retesting that 7,500 right now. We already dropped the code. Already dropped it. Somebody already got it. Again, though, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. Join the streams every single day. I always have accounts to give away. All that good stuff. All you guys gotta do is join. All you gotta do is join. I don't think we tested this supply yet. Yeah, we haven't touched it. 75, 71. I mean, I consider it. We got up there. All right, we're watching this supply zone, everybody. If ES can grind into 71 to 76, let's see if we can project off here. It's a 45-minute zone. You guys gonna hang out with me longer, Team Bull? Yep, let's see if we can get up there. $75, $71, $75, $76. Did the other boys catch setups? It's all right. Oh. Come on. Go to our level. We're getting close. Let me just double check this zone. Yep, it's a good zone. I like it. We're at that previous day high as well now. One of yes. Hopefully it doesn't reject off high day. Previous high day. Let me go up to it. I'm gonna take a super fast pee break though. So hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Need like 4 more points. Okay, we're trading up into it. Still no entry. That NQ's almost at high day. My grandmother's trying to call me right now, too. After we catch this banger. Wait for proper confirmation, everybody. If we get it, we take it. If not, oh well. We call it a day. Still no entry. $76.5 is the last area of this supply. So let's see if we hit it and reject. I'm actually like surprised how much ES is pumping. Our sellers are right here. Still nothing. Still nothing. I'm looking for shorts. We're in supply. So I want to see if we can reject. Still no entry. Still have these sellers here at 75. Pretty much touching that last zone at 76.5. So if we start trading above here, especially a 5-minute candle close, the level is invalid and there's no setup. Got about like a minute and a half until this candle closes. Let's see if we fail it. 1 minute. So far, we're falling below. Could get a really tight wrist, too, if it fails. Let's see, we're watching 76.5. 30 seconds. I'm actually shocked. I will be shocked if we close above it. Just such an overextended move today with literally zero pullback. But yep, it's invalid. 5-minute candle close above, 2-minute close above, 15-minute close above. Now watch it reject. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Not seeing anything. Unfortunately, no trades today. But we'll see maybe tomorrow. At least it wasn't a losing trade. So I'll take that. No good setups today. So everybody have an amazing day. As always, if you guys need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon. Other than that, talk to everybody tomorrow morning. Peace. Peace out, TikTok and Tube. Again, make sure you guys follow and subscribe. No trades today. Peace out.